If you've got Bitcoin sitting in your Cash app and you're ready to cash out, this quick guide is for you. Stick with me until the end because I'll break it down step by step and give you a couple of pro tips to make sure you don't run into delays. First, open the Cash app and head straight to the banking tab on the home screen. This is where all your money management options are. Once you're inside, select Bitcoin from the list. This is your main dashboard for anything crypto related on Cash app. Next, tap Withdraw Bitcoin. Now you'll be given two ways to send your BTC. The easiest is to scan a QR code of your external Bitcoin wallet address using Cash App's built-in QR scanner. If you can't scan a code, you can manually copy and paste your wallet address. Just make sure it's correct because crypto transactions can't be reversed. If you don't already have a wallet, you can quickly create one using any trusted mobile, desktop, or even hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor for maximum security. After you've entered your wallet details, tap Confirm. Cash App will ask for your PIN or Touch ID for security. Once you confirm, your withdrawal is on its way. Standard withdrawals require at least 0.001 BTC, while rush or priority withdrawals only need 0.00005 BTC, so make sure you meet the minimum balance. Most transactions process within 30 to 40 minutes, though priority withdrawals can be faster. And that's it. Your Bitcoin has been successfully cashed out. If this guide helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App and crypto tutorials. And if you want to see my full guide on safely storing Bitcoin in a hardware wallet, check the link in the description.